I never saw this coming. I don't think anybody really recognized what this was going to do to business in the United States. I remember I was initially skeptical of what this virus represented, but once the projections were released and we reviewed them, our mission was very clear and our path was obvious. We needed to safeguard our community and our families before we safeguarded our business. As a result, we closed our office early in March indefinitely, prior to the inset of Governor DeSantis' Executive Order 20-82. We never filed for any exemptions. We did not seek out loopholes. We closed immediately, and everything just stopped. Roxanne and I had a few dark days. We had closed our practice, our lifeblood for over a decade, and a professional dream of mine for my entire adult life. We knew what we did was right, and we didn't regret it. If we had to sacrifice our business to safeguard our community, so be it. Our community deserved that. We believe we live in an incredible community, and as a physician, it is not only a responsibility to protect our home, it is a privilege, and one we accepted openly. But some sacrifices are greater than others, and this one was big. Anybody who knows me knows my passion for plastic surgery, my passion for being able to share and support the people in my practice. This was very hard for us, just like it was hard on you.
Nick Wolchin here with Ocean Drive Dermatology. I was unable to use my passion for my craft, but I knew I could still help. The first thing that we did was get involved with the Cleveland Clinic COVID-19 response team. They provided us the most appropriate cutting-edge information on the treatment, prevention, origins, and the spread of this virus. Next, we donated all of our personal protective equipment to Cleveland Clinic. Then, we heard there was a severe blood shortage. So we organized a very successful and helpful blood drive. Then we entered the long part of the quarantine, and it became evident that misinformation was leading the way. So Dr. Durkin and I started a webinar series online, distributing the appropriate, accurate clinical information without the barriers of politics or fear. In the end, we did all these things because we chose to be part of the solution to our community's problems. And even though we have our lives back now, we recognize that things have changed. We believe these changes are necessary until we have a vaccine. But in the meantime, I am here today to tell you two things. One, we understand how the world has changed and we are ready for it. And two, we are back, we are open, and the world has changed and we are ready for it. For starters, all members of Ocean Drive Plastic Surgery and Ocean Drive Dermatology have been screened for COVID-19 and will continue to be screened on a monthly interval for the foreseeable future. Masks will be worn by all staff and providers for all treatments at Ocean Drive for the foreseeable future. Further, all visitors will be offered complimentary surgical masks at their visit, and they may take a total of 3 home with them for their family if they desire. We have installed new hygienic equipment in every room of our center. All members have been retrained on how to wash their hands by Dr. Durkin. Not the way we did before, but the way surgeons wash their hands. Each room will now undergo a terminal clean after each patient encounter. This is similar to the cleaning that we do in the operating room. All patients who have received an advanced aesthetic procedure by myself or by Dr. Durkin will receive a complimentary COVID-19 antibody test. We know that our greatest strength moving forward lies in our decision to close early and prematurely during this crisis. We did not at any time risk infecting our facility with COVID-19. We shut down long before the virus became locally mobile. We have diligently practiced social distancing so that when we did reopen, we could do it with the highest standard of safety and the strongest possible declaration that we are a safe, clean, improved facility that we hope to see you soon. Lastly, for those who want to meet remotely before the procedure, we will continue to offer telemedicine services for Ocean Drive Plastic Surgery and Ocean Drive Dermatology indefinitely.
From all of us to all of you, we want to welcome you back to Ocean Drive. We are new, we are safe, we are improved, and we are more eager than ever to serve you. We hope to see you soon.